Hey guys, it's Allie back to you with the quick installation of the Anespa from Ionizing. So, I'm just going to set this up on the edge of my toilet for now until I get it installed, and then I have a stand down on the side of my tub just so nobody can hit it. You want it to be nice and secure. So our first step, we're going to take off the existing shower head. And remove any plumber's tape or anything that's on there, old stuff. Today I'm going to use some plumber's tape. So this is called like a thread seal. Just creates more of a watertight seal. You can use this or not because your product also comes with these rubber seals. So you have to make sure that you use these rubber seals in each of your connections. But today I would recommend using plumber's tape as well. So this goes along every thread on your appliance and as well on your shower. So I'll just take a little bit of this and thread it on. And then we're going to take our shower head attachment, and I've already placed some tape on there as well. So I'm going to screw that on nice and tight. Just hand tight. You don't want to over tighten it, because you don't want to break anything, but it has to be nice tight seal so no water can get through. Just as tight as you can get it with your hands. There. Now we're going to flip this around to make sure that the outlet for the faucet is at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to move over to our unit here. So let's start with the tub pipe here. So this is the one that's the flexible yet sturdy pipe. So we're going to want to get one of our rubber seals. And this is going to go on the left side of your Anespa. So making sure you have a rubber seal here. And just screw this on nice and tight. Again, I have already put on the thread lock type tape. So it's all ready to go. Nice and tight there. Okay, and I'm just gonna drape that right over top of my tub there, just so it comes out kind of at the same spot as it normally would. So next, let's do the water supply hose. So this is the hose that has two of the same ends on it. We're gonna want two rubber seals. So place one here. We're going to hook that right up to the faucet on the top here. So make sure it's on nice and straight before you start to tighten. All right. And then again, another rubber seal. And we're going to stick this right in the bottom of the Anespa unit, so this water supply unit here, which starts your filtration process. Get it down nice and straight here, there we go. Okay, so last step here. We have our shower hose. Okay, so we're going to take this first end and another rubber seal. And again, I had already put tape on the right side of the device. Put it on nice and tight. And last but not least, we have our shower head. So let's place a couple of rubber seals in this one. This one you want to make sure it's right in snug, so there's no way that air or excess water can get in there so it doesn't leak. Alright, and we just put our shower head right on there. And looks like we're ready to go. So I'm just going to place this down on my stand before I start it up here. There we go. I'll just have to readjust this flexible pipe here. Alright, so let's give it a go and see if it works. Alright, so we'll just turn on the tap here, which is going to just shove out the water just to the normal tap here. And then I have it set on shower, so that's to the left side. So when I pull up my shower, and voila, we're ready to go. So if you want the shower to be running, you go over to the left side, and if you turn it to the right side, it's just this blue switch here. So it'll switch it right over to your tub water. So that's great if you're filling up the tub. See how quick and easy that was to install your very own at-home spa with Anespa. If you want some more information, follow the clicks below. I got a few links here for you. It's Allie with World Wellness, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will upload another one once I have my shower.